Hi children, welcome to my online class. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to take the continuation of chapter 7, Festivals of Northeast India. Children, here are some new words and its glossary for this part of the chapter. Okay, so here is the new word, unique. What is it children? Unique. Okay, the meaning is special. What is the meaning of unique? Special, unlike any other. Okay, then calamities. What is it? Calamities. Calamities are nothing but serious accidents or bad events causing danger or suffering. The meaning of calamities is serious accidents or bad events causing damage or suffering. The last new word from this chapter is oral history. What is it? Oral history. Collection of historical information which is not written down but is passed on by people who remember past events. Okay. The meaning of oral history is collection of historical information which is not written down anywhere. Okay, which is not written but is passed from people to the next generation. Okay, who remembers the past events. And children, do you remember what we had learned in the previous class? Yes, the northeastern region of India, it consists of 7 states. What are they? Assam, yes, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura and Meghalaya. Right? Okay, and what do they celebrate? They celebrate unique festivals with great enthusiasm and joy. And many of their festivals are based on agriculture, and these celebrations include dance and music. Okay, the festivals, they are not complete without dance and music. Children, which is the festival celebrated in Assam? Can you name it? Yes, Bihus. Okay, Bihus are among the biggest festivals of the state. The different Bihus in different seasons are celebrated by people of all religions, caste or tribes. Okay, and this festival, it marks the beginning and ending of the harvesting season. Right? Okay, and it is celebrated by both young men and women, and they dance with brisk steps and hand movements. Both the men and women, they dance, and it is noted for its brisk steps and hand movements. And we are also learned that unusual instruments like cymbals, bamboo clapper, dole means drum, pepper, which is a wind instrument, are used for this festival. Now children, the New Year festival, Losar, is perhaps the most important festival in certain areas of Arunachal. On this occasion, people clean their homes and discard the old to bring the new year. Right? So, what is the festival? Name of the festival? Yes, Losar. And it is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. Right? And it is one of the most important festival in certain areas of Arunachal. And this occasion, what people do? Yes, they clean their homes and they discard. They throw away the old ones to welcome the new year. Right? Okay. So, during the festivals which we celebrate in Kerala also, what we do? We clean our homes. Right? We discard the old things. Okay. The same thing is followed there also. Right? Okay. People clean their homes and they discard the old ones to bring the new year. Now the last paragraph of page number 78. A charming festival of Manipur, Ningol Chakoba. So which is the festival celebrated in Manipur? Ningol Chakoba. It binds and revives the relationship between married girls and their parents. The women and the children are given a sumptuous feast and gifts during Charoba, the Manipuri New Year festival in April. People clean and decorate their houses and prepare special festive dishes. Which is the festival celebrated in Manipur? Yes, tell me. Look at the image here. Yes, Ningol Chakoba. So, the festival celebrated in Manipur is Ningol Chakoba, and it binds and revives the relationship between married girl and their parents. It binds means what? Binds means it unites people so that they live together more happily. Okay, so the festival of Manipur is Ningol Chakoba. Which is the festival of Manipur, children? Ningol Chakoba. Okay, and what is the specialty of this festival? Yes, it binds and revives the relationship between married girls and their parents, right? And what is the meaning of binds? Yes, here it means unites people so that they live together more happily, right? So, Ningol Chakoba is celebrated in which state? Yes, Manipur. Okay, and what is the specialty? It binds. It unites people and girls. Okay, when girls get married, they go to their husband's house, right? And during this festival, they come back, and this is the time when they come together and spend their time with their parents. Okay, the women and the children are given a sumptuous feast and gifts. So, how we celebrate festivals here, relatives will come to your house in the same manner. Okay, this festival in Manipur unites the parents and their girls and their daughters. Okay, because after getting married, they go to their in-laws house or husband's house. Right? Understood? Okay, they stay with them. Now, during this festival, they come to their homes and they spend their time with their parents, and the women and the children, they are given a sumptuous feast and gifts. Now I told you the meaning of sumptuous. Sumptuous means, okay, dishes with lot of varieties and also contains rich foods. Okay, during Cheroba, the Manipuri New Year festival in April. Okay, the New Year festival in Manipur is Cheroba. What is it, children? Cheroba. C-H-E-I-R-A-O-B-A. I repeat, C-H-E-I-R-A-O-B-A. Cheroba. Children, as a part of the ritual, the villagers, they climb the nearest hilltop because they believe that if they climb the hilltop, they will reach to a higher level in their life. Now the next page, page number 79. Okay, look at the image. The Spring Festival of Chapchar is an important occasion mostly celebrated in Mizoram. Okay, so which is the festival celebrated in Mizoram? Yes, it's Chapchar. Okay, the spelling is C-H-A-P-C-H-A-R. I repeat, C-H-A-P-C-H-A-R. Chapchar K-U-T. Is an important occasion mostly celebrated in Mizoram. Men and women of all ages wearing traditional dresses and headgear perform folk dances and sing traditional songs on this occasion. Drums, gongs and cymbals add to the festive air. Okay, the festival celebrated in Mizoram is what? Yes, Chapchar. And men and women, they all wear traditional dresses. Look at the image, children. Yes, men and women, they both traditional dresses and they wear a headgear. Headgear is an accessory which they put on their head. They wear a headgear and they perform folk dance. They perform folk dances and they also sing traditional songs. And drums. Okay, you know drums? Yes, the instruments like drums, gongs. Look at the image, gongs. And cymbals. Cymbals are nothing but concave plates which is used to make pleasant a sound. Okay, musical sound. And they add to the festive air. Right? Children, one more time I repeat. Once again I repeat. Okay, Bihus are the biggest festival of which state? Yes, Assam. Right? And Ningol Chakoba, it's a festival of Manipur. What is it, children? Ningol Chakoba. Okay. Cheroba is a festival celebrated in Manipur. Okay, they celebrate it as a New Year and it is celebrated in the month of April. And what about the festival of Arunachal Pradesh? It's Losar. What is it, children? Losar. See, while doing art integrated learning, okay, children are given the topic festival, water, right? So when they celebrate it, so Himachal Pradesh comes under this northeastern region, right? Now children, page number 79, second paragraph. Vangala or the 100th festival is the most important festival celebrated by the Garos in the villages of Meghalaya. This harvest festival is celebrated to mark the end of a period of hard work which naturally brings a good harvest. The dance performed during the festivals has two parallel lines, one of men and the other of women, clad in the festive costumes. While the men beat the drum, the lines move forward together in a rhythmic manner. Now children, we have learned the festival of Assam, Mizoram, Manipur, Arunachal. Now, the festival of Meghalaya. So, what is its name? Yes, Vangala. What is it? Vangala. W-A-N-G-A-L-A. I repeat, W-A-N-G-A-L-A. This festival is also called 100 Drum Festival and it is celebrated by the Garos. Okay, look at the image. They are celebrated by the Garos in the villages of Meghalaya. And this harvest festival is celebrated to mark the end of a period of hard work, because after a lot of hard work, okay, and at the end of harvesting time, they celebrate it with grace, okay, and they will have a joyous celebration and which naturally brings a good harvest. Now, the dance performed during the festival has two parallel lines. How they perform the dance? Like two parallel lines. One line men and the opposite to that, the other line, the women, they stand and they wear the traditional costumes. Okay. And while the men beat the drums, the lines move forward together in a rhythmic manner. They move forward in a rhythmic manner. You can see the image. Right? Have you understood? Okay, they wear the traditional wear and men and women, they stand in a parallel line. Like men will stand in one line and the next line women will stand, and when they beat the drums, okay, the lines move forward together in a rhythmic manner. Children, the main feature of festivals in Tripura is that all the people join in the celebrations. Many of the dances performed during some of the festivities represent hunting, fishing, food gathering and various other activities. Some of the festivals attract people from all over India. And now the festival in Tripura is that all people join in this celebration. Okay, the festival celebrated in Tripura, all people gather there and many of the dances performed during some of the festivities represent. And many of the dances, while they perform the dances, they are mainly based on, okay, they represent, okay, they bring the themes like hunting, fishing, food gathering and various other activities, okay. The dance forms, they include hunting, fishing, food gathering and various other activities. And some of the festivals attract people from all over India. Okay, the festivals of Tripura, they attract the people from all over India. Children, the last second paragraph of page number 79. Nagaland consists of different groups of people who are unique in their customs and the traditions that they celebrate. Songs and dances form the soul of these Naga festivals. The festivals are used by the Nagas to preserve and pass down their oral history. Children, Nagaland consists of different groups of people who are unique in their custom. They are very unique in their custom. Tradition, custom, which you follow. Okay, every state has their customs and traditions. And India is the best example for following the traditional background and the customs followed and their lifestyles, right? Nagaland consists of different groups of people who are unique in their customs. Unique means what? They are unlike others. Okay, and the traditions that they celebrate. Children, the main feature of festival in Tripura is that all people join in the celebration. All people, okay, they all join in the celebration. That is the main feature of this festival. Okay, not only the people belonging to that particular religion, but all people. Okay, and the dance forms during the festivities, they represent, okay, they include the themes like hunting, fishing, and food gathering. Okay, different varieties of foods are gathered during this festival. Children, now I am going to conclude what we have learned in today's class. Okay, so read the textbook twice. Children, the northeastern region of India, it consists of 7 states. What are they? Yes, Assam, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Tripura. Okay, and many of the festivals, they are based on their agriculture. And no festival is complete without dance and music. That means festivals of northeastern region of India, they include dance and music, right? And which is the festival celebrated in Assam? Yes, Bihus, right? Which is it? Bihus. Okay, and men and women, they perform the dances. Okay, they perform the dance and they are noted for the brisk steps and hand movements. And unusual instruments like, what are the unusual instruments? Cymbals, then dole, bamboo clapper, okay, and a wind instrument, pipa is made with buffalo horn. Now children, which is the festival celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh? Yes, Losar is the festival celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh. And what the people do? Yes, people clean their houses and they discard the old things to bring the new year or to welcome the new year. In Manipur, Late festival celebrated. Yes, Ningol Chakoba. What is it? Ningol Chakoba. What is the spelling? N-I-N-G-O-L. I repeat, N-I-N-G-O-L. Ningol Chakoba. C-H-A-K-O-U-B-A. Okay, it binds and revives the relationship between married girls and their parents. This festival സമയത്ത് കുട്ടികൾ പെൺകുട്ടികൾ അവരുടെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് വരും എന്നിട്ട് ഇവർ ഒന്നിച്ച് ആ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ, ഈ സമയത്ത് പെൺകുട്ടികൾ അവരുടെ പേരൻസിൻ്റെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് വരും, പേരൻസും കുട്ടികളും ഒന്നിച്ച് വെറൈറ്റി ഓഫ് ഡിഷസ് അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യും. അപ്പം ഇറ്റ് ഹെൽപ്സ് ദ ടു get together and have a good time with their family members. Okay, they will have a good time with their family and it unites means what? Okay, they become more happy because it unites the family members. It makes the relationship more stronger, right? And they enjoy it by celebrating it all together, right? And the next festival which is celebrated in Manipur is Cheroba. What is it? Cheroba. C-H-E-I-R-A-O-B-A. Okay, and this Manipuri New Year festival is celebrated in the month of April. And during this festival, people decorate their houses and they prepare special festive dishes. And as a part of the ritual, what the villagers do? They climb the hilltops, which is nearby, because they believe that will lead them to higher level in their life. Okay, then the spring festival which is celebrated in Mizoram is, yes, Chapchakut. What is it? Chapchakut. And men of all ages, they wear the traditional dress and they wear a headgear and they perform folk dances and sing traditional songs on this occasion. Okay, and what are the instruments used during Chapchakut? Yes, drums, gongs and cymbals, which is shown in the image. And Mangala or the 100 Drum festival is celebrated in the villages of Meghalaya. Mangala is also called 100 Drum festival. Look at the image. Okay, they celebrated by the dance performance, which is arranged in 2 parallel lines. One line is for men and the other for women. And they wear festive costumes. While men beat their drums, the lines move forward together in a rhythmic manner. Children, hope you have understood the chapter. With this, I wind up my session. See you in the next class. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.